Hello guys, this is Srinivas the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the SKIDMARK daily challenge of 2nd July 2021. Sorry for the absent of past 2 days guys, because of some economical problem. I didn't recharge my plan, so I didn't post any videos. Jokes apart, let's see. Here this is the problem, multiple interfaces. Department and college. The program must accept a name, department and college name of a student, and then it just print name with the name, department with the department, and college name with the college heading before it. Simple though. Let's see in the programmatical part. Here, this is the code they have given. This is a class hello. So I have already created a file called hello.java. So this is belong to the class hello, but here they have also created a class student, college and department. For that we need to create three more files, which is nothing but student.java. Inside this student.java file I'm pasting the code for the class student. We have to create a class college and department. This is not a normal class because it uses the implements function. For that we need to create a class called interface class. I have created a college.java file and I didn't take this as a normal public class. I just take that as a interface. At the moment we have typed the interface, you can see there is a key icon, which is nothing but this file is kind of locked. We can't directly access or anything because this is a kind of secure file. Inside that we need to create an abstract class. If we just create a class, it itself has an abstract method. So the keyword abstract is optional. Abstract void. The reason I am taking void, here they have created a print college name as a void function. So all we just need to do is just copy and then paste. That's it. Likewise, we have to create a one more file, which is nothing but department. Inside this department, this is also an interface class. So interface department, and then I'm pasting the department name. Since this is an interface class, we can't able to define a function. We can declare a method, but we can't able to define a method inside it. That's what a that's why we called it a secure file. So if I run my hello.java file, we got student cannot be resolved. This might be, yeah, I have forgotten to save the files. So I'm running it one more time. This time we didn't get any error. Here I'm passing the student name. We got name, student name, and department. We got department with the department, and then finally I'm printing college name. We got it. As I have already told, we don't need to specify this abstract keyword because it works fine without it. Yeah, every method inside a interface class is kind of or it's considered as abstract methods. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Here, this is the code for your review. You just need to write the 3 lines from this file and 3 lines from this file in the blank space that you have given. No matter which come first or which come last, it will act fine. You just need to type the 6 lines and you will get a medal. That's it, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope we will meet soon with something else tomorrow. Until then, bye.